Wait a minute, what am I holding? Is that a corn? Oh boy. Let me take you back to where it all started from, right? I used to be this guy that don't normally satisfy his woman. It's kind of a bad experience for me. I always feel ashamed after having a fun moment with my baby. Not until I discovered a recipe that works for me, I began to pay attention to nature and I began to do mix some recipe for myself and I start taking them a few months ago. Now I go many rounds a night. As you can see, these are 3 different rubbers I used in one night. And then even up until now, I'm still feeling myself. I still feel like going more and more rounds or more. This recipe is amazing, all right? And the girl, it keeps calling. She keeps calling. As you can see, I'm feeling like a king come Superman, Odogunwoke, Totu Gaga, sweetness umunwa, aya, Odogu. So if you need this recipe, hit me up. You're just gonna pay a little chickeny change, and then I will teach you this secret recipe, original manpower.